Hi everybody, it's Noreen from Organized and Creative Mom. Thanks so much for joining me here on the channel. Today I am up over on the Creative Life Scrapbooking Facebook page with a project for Feature Project Friday. And I couldn't think of a better collection to use than the new Fresh Fusion collection, which just launched this week. And I'm going to show you 3 really fast and fun layouts using one of the paper packs. But I just want to tell you a little bit about the Fresh Fusion collection first of all. I think this is going to be your go-to essential collection. There's going to be papers in here that will work for almost any theme, occasion, or topic that you want to scrapbook. So the Fresh Fusion Soft, as you can see, is full of lovely pastels. If you're doing baby, wedding, springtime pages, this is going to be a perfect collection or perfect paper pack for you. And then if you're doing some, kids scrapbooking, school days, bright, fun, cheery summertime layouts, the Fresh Fusion Cheerful is going to be perfect. And if it's time to scrapbook some holiday or fall pictures, some heritage photos perhaps, this bold collection with its gorgeous jewel tones is going to be perfect as well. So no matter what you're scrapbooking, I really think that there's going to be something that you can use in this Fresh Fusion collection. Today, though, I'm going to be focusing on the Fresh Fusion Rainbow paper pack. And in particular, these sort of quilt-inspired pinwheel pattern papers. And you can see that on the back side of each of them, there's a really fun rainbow pattern. But I'm really loving these papers just the way they are, and I'm going to show you 3 fun ways that you can use them. So for this first layout, it literally took me about 3 minutes to complete. Basically, I took the paper as it was, the kind of gold and star quilt pattern paper, and I added 4 photo spots that measure 4 inches by 4 inches each. And you can see how quickly those would go on. And I didn't even have to do a lot of measuring, because when I'm adding them to my page, I just match the corner and the corner with the diagonal line. So it's super fast to get them perfect on your page. And then all I did was add a border across the middle. These are the layered border embellishments, and you can see that I used the gold one, but you can see how fast that would be to just pop one of those borders across the middle. Added a couple of extra stickers, and the layout is done. I always say that 4x4 photos are among the most versatile because you can cut them down from a 6x4 horizontal or a 4x6 vertical. So that is literally a 5-minute layout, and it's going to look great. And again, whether you choose the gold, purple, the red, the green, the blues, one of those colors is going to be perfect for the photos that you want to use with it. Now this next layout looks a little bit more complex, but it isn't. It came together in about 10 minutes, really fast as well. And basically I took 1 sheet of the red pinwheel, 1 sheet of the green pinwheel, cut them in half, and then I cut each of the halves into 6x6 blocks. So each block had a dark and a light diagonal pattern to them. I arranged the pattern papers in the 4 corners of the layout just on white cardstock, and then I cut 2 pieces of scarlet cardstock to 5 inches by 5 inches and 2 pieces of leaf green cardstock 5 inches by 5 inches. Placed those in the empty squares, and then as you can see, you've got lots of options for photos. You can put 4x4 photos in just like we did on the last layout, or you can definitely add 2 3x4s to each of those spaces. Title is a simple mix of the laser cut embellishment with a couple of stickers. I've got 2 other little clusters of stickers here, and then I took 1 each of the red and the green wavy stickers, cut them in half, and then placed the red in between the green and the green in between the red, just to give it a nice sense of continuity throughout the layout. So again, this layout took about 10 minutes to complete. And this final layout took between 10 and 15 minutes to complete also. Again, because of these pre-printed designs, it looks way more complex than it is. I took one of the blue pinwheel papers and one of the lighter green pinwheel papers, and I cut two 3-inch strips from each page. So I had a total of 4 3 by 12-inch strips. Then I cut all of those strips into 3-inch blocks. And then as you can see, I just went ahead and placed my blocks in a pattern to create my top and bottom borders. I added another one of those fun squiggly border strips above each of the blocks, alternating the green and the blue. Then I used blue and dark green cardstock for my photo mounts. So again, even though these look complex, the pre-printed papers really make it simple. So no matter if you have 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or maybe about 15 minutes, you're going to be able to create some fantastic, fast, and easy layouts with these gorgeous pre-printed papers from the Fresh Fusion Rainbow Paper Pack. I hope you give these a try. It is so much fun to work with them. Don't forget to head over to our Creative Life Scrapbooking Facebook page, where every week we share new and fun ideas for using your creative memories, tools, and supplies. Hope to see you over there. Thanks very much for joining me today. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye for now.